Hi there, welcome to Navigating Graduate School YouTube channel. My name is Ebenezer, and if today is your first time visiting my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. So today I'm going to address an important question one of my viewers asked me concerning graduate school application. And the question goes like this: should I apply again to a program that rejected me? Should I apply again to a graduate program that rejected me? And I think it is such an important question because sometimes the program that rejected you could be your dream program or your dream school. And I think it makes a lot of sense to consider reapplying. Now, I'll answer the questions in twofold. First of all, I'm going to give you reasons why it makes sense to reapply again to a program that rejected you. After, I'll also give you some reasons why you shouldn't consider reapplying to the program. Okay, so now let's look at some of the reasons why you should consider applying to a program that rejected you. First of all, I'll say that reapply to a program that rejected you. One, if you've gotten a feedback from the rejection after the program rejected you, you email the program coordinator, okay, of the specific program, and they give you reasons why you got rejected, and you have been able to successfully address those weaknesses in your application, and you effected the changes, then I think it makes a lot of sense to consider applying to the program that rejected you. Secondly, I will say that let's say when you applied previously, you didn't contact any professor or you didn't email any professor from the program, but this time around you did, and the professor gave you some positive sign or a nod to apply to the program, then I would say it makes a lot of sense to apply again to a program that rejected you. Also, the third reason I will give is that if there have been some significant changes in your application document, your application materials that you submitted. Let's say you were not having some laboratory experiences, lab work, lab experiences that the program required first when you were applying. You were not having those experiences, but this time around, you've done some internships and you've improved or you've gotten those experiences, then it makes a lot of sense to reapply. And also, let's say previously when you were applying, you were not having some publications, okay, you were not having some publications, but this time around you have one or two peer-reviewed publications, then it makes a lot of sense to apply, to reapply to the program. Maybe this time last time or the previous years you applied, you were also not having a good GRE score, but this time you're having a good GRE score, then I think it will be a good, it makes a lot of sense to reapply again to the program that rejected you. So now let's dive into the reasons why you shouldn't apply to a program that rejected you. I'll say that it will be the opposite of whatever I've said. Let's say, but the number one I would say is that you shouldn't reapply to a program that rejected you because if there have not been any significant change, if there have not been any significant change in your application document or materials, for example, you are wanting to submit the same statement of purpose, the same CV, your application document, okay, there's no significant change. You want to submit the same materials, and that will be a gamble, okay. You've not emailed the professors to get any nod from them, then it doesn't make sense to reapply to a program that rejected you. If you do it, then it will be a gamble. You might be wasting your time and resources. So I hope this video helps you make an informed decision. And please, thank you for watching today's video. If today is your first time visiting my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. And remember that the fall application window is still opened, and please continue searching for schools, continue making the right decisions, continue writing your statement of purpose, review your application document, and I hope to see you in graduate school next year. Thank you for watching my video once again, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.